Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to back up your Mac using Time Machine. First, connect an external hard drive to your Mac. This drive will store all your backups. It's important that this drive has at least as much storage as your Mac's internal drive, or even more, to accommodate future backups. Time Machine works by creating incremental backups, saving changes over time. This ensures you can restore your system to various points in the past, offering great flexibility and peace of mind. Once your external drive is connected, your Mac might ask if you want to use it with Time Machine. If it does, simply click Use as Backup Disk. If not, you can open System Settings, then navigate to General and select Time Machine. From there, click the plus button to add your external drive. Time Machine will then prepare the drive for its first backup, which might take some time depending on your data size. After selecting your backup disk, Time Machine will start its first full backup. This initial process can take a significant amount of time, often several hours, especially if you have a large amount of data on your Mac. It's crucial to keep your Mac connected to its power adapter and avoid disconnecting the external drive until the first backup is complete. Subsequent backups will be much faster, as Time Machine only backs up new or changed files. Once the initial backup is finished, Time Machine will automatically perform hourly backups for the past 24 hours. It also keeps daily backups for the past month and weekly backups for all previous months, as long as your backup disk has available space. This continuous backup system means your data is always protected, and you can easily restore individual files or your entire system from various points in time, offering robust data recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.